Okay.
Okay, go. No, guys, yeah, just go.
Welcome to our puppet show.
Hello, guys.
I hope you have fun at our puppet show. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Goodbye.
We're closing. Hello, again.
It's a baby.
Yay!
It's Timmy.
Have you seen a dog anywhere?
No.
No,
Where's the
I haven't
dog?
seen a
We
dog.
haven't seen a dog.
It's all a dinosaur.
I've seen a cat.
Well, I have an old pal dog. Tell me if you see him.
Okay.
Look for him.
There he is.
I see a dog.
Have you seen a baby?
No.
No.
I haven't seen a baby dog.
Haven't
baby
seen
dog?
any baby?
I have.
Tell me if you see a baby. His name is Timmy,
I
and
saw
he
a
has
baby.
really crazy hair.
Okay.
I saw a baby.
Are you a dog with a diaper on?
Yeah. He has a tail, even though they cut it.
My hair's not supposed to be good.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm so sorry my hair looked good. I want my DD. I'm like Sammy Kaido. Okay, bye.
You're not supposed to reveal your secrets. Get under there.
All right. What's the rest of the show? There's a kid getting attacked by a dinosaur. Blake says he wants in there. Can Blake be in the puppet show?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Blake. You can go in there. You want to go in the show?
Is the plot done?
Is that it?
No, we're just starting.
My bad.
I'm sorry for the wait. Bodie's being a little crazy.
Okay, but he wants to go in there. Blake's coming in.
Come on, Blake. You're part of the show now.
If you guys see a little baby with a passy,
Yeah.
Let me see about Timmy this time.
Guys, Bodie.
Hey, Blake.
Oh, look. There's my great friend, Howdy Doody.
Great friend.
Get off.
Speaking of beauty.
Get off
Yeah.
that.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Blake is coming.
Get out of here.
Oh no, Howdy Doody lost his shoe.
Oh, sorry.
Again.
Can I please have it?
She's
Stop going out. Everybody, stop going out.
I gotta make a duty.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Speaking of
Bodie,
beauty.
stop.
Bodie.
Bodie, stop.
How is
What's the rules of
Bodie?
the puppet
Is
show?
he pulling him back in? Did we notice?
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Guys, okay, Sammy, it's your turn.
It's baby Timmy.
It's your turn.
He looks a
Bodie,
lot
you're not
more
supposed to
real.
show yourself.
Wanna
Just
be
your
in?
puppet.
just your puppet, Bodie.
That's the poo-poo dinosaur. When Anna was little and she would never go to the bathroom, that was at my mom's house. Hi, Anna.
Is this intermission?
I love
Should
poop.
we go get drinks?
Where's
You
the
can see their heads.
Come on. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh!
Oh, clothesline.
Let's do it.
Welcome to our show. Bye bye.
That was good.
I got my mustache on.
Wait. Let me hear.
Put him up higher so you
Guys,
can
need to
see
hurry
him.
up.
A little higher. A little higher.
Blake's gonna come
I think I'm gonna
kamikaze here
fart.
soon.
No.
Wait, what's your guys' name? I hear a crying baby. What is all of you guys' names?
There's no duck.
What are your guys' names? Okay, I'm gone. I'm leaving. The presidents.
Oh, the president.
Oh!
Everybody, don't. Everybody be quiet.
Okay, hold it up high.
Bodie, don't come out. Go back. No.
Oh.
Everybody, don't do anything. Yeah, you are. Sweet.
Oh, is the president coming?
Yes.
All right, ready?
It's just a little early.
Hold on. Let me give you the theme music. You ready?
Look, there's a dragon behind you.
Why'd you come? You didn't need to come here. I was busy with some paperwork. Why did you come? Hey, get out of here, dinosaur! I'm in a
Look, Blake. Look.
Look.
What?
Ew, it's freaking me out.
I have so many taxes to do right now. Why did you bring me here?
Straighten your tie, would ya?
I'll straighten my tie when I want to.
He's fixing your
Your
hair.
hair?
You have a problem with my hair?
No, it looks great. Your eyebrows need a little taming, though.
And your
Excuse
eyes.
me?
Your eyebrows.
Can you be quiet? This is a show, baby.
Go get him, Blake.
Oh!
They do whatever they want. Especially pick their noses. And they'll put them all over. They put them all over our checks, our bills, and then people are like, what is this? It's sticky and
Why we
gross.
can't see it?
They're like, it's a booger. President George Bush. I should cherish this forever.
I see there's a.
Okay, this is called the
Blake makes
let me think for a
It's so
minute.
funny.
Oh yeah.
Even
What's it
though
called?
if it's funny, you can still laugh.
Oh,
Oh,
this
even
is
if it's not
called
funny.
voting.
Voting, okay.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah.
You need theme music, Wyatt?
Oh, hi. Hey. I'm the president.
I'm the president.
He is not the president. Sammy, sit down. He is not the president. I am running for the president. Is that a monkey?
Yes.
Monkeys are very creepy. Ah! My clothes are falling off.
And now you get it. Hi, guys. I'm a wolf. I'm our president. Over here.
What do you
Oh,
run?
my clothes are gonna fall
Bodie does
off.
pretty good.
And my
Mouth.
teeth are gonna fall
What he's
out.
saying?
First time, yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Is that a guy? Hi, guys.
Hi,
What are you doing today?
Where's George Bush at?
Oh, he's a little
Where's
bit
Timmy's
late.
arm?
I am running for president. I know I'm a little young. My Dee
Oh, over here. Over here. Oh, hey.
It's always nice to start your morning with a big Dee.
Dee Dee. Doo-doo?
Duty or Dee?
Don't we all?
I wish.
Hold on.
I haven't got
I
time
need
for
to
that.
fuck my hair.
What happened to his arm?
Hey.
Oh, it's the Snuggle Bear.
Aw, you look so soft.
My arm is stuck. I'm sorry about that for a minute.
Guys, disgust me.
I'm gonna get my hair done.
Construction worker. over there.
neck like that?
Yeah, my construction worker. Where's that hard-working man at?
I think he slept funny. He's got a stiff neck.
What?
Yes, that's George Bush. Wait, have you found the baby yet?
What baby?
The baby that I found yesterday.
You don't have no baby.
No, that cool baby that I like that guitar.
There's the number one finger.
Well, the number one finger is it really cool? I
Construction working.
Well, I gotta go by.
Bodie.
Brody, are you the construction worker?
What's up, man?
No.
Oh.
Is that Papa Ramsey?
Does look like your dad.
My tattoos. You like them?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Oh!